Salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Ba'd. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My courtesy and respect to His Eminence Sheikh Muslim M. Giamadi, to the Deputy Minister Hashim Mantikayan, to the Secretary General of MISA Incorporated, Dato Abdul Shatar Zailon, sir, to the Commissioner of BYC for Maguindanao SGA and Cotabato City, Nasruddin Gulding, sir, to the lecturers, Sheikh Sadawi Mamaluba, Sheikh Masud Lanto, and also to the Executive Director of MISA Incorporated, Hamdan A. Yaqub, my brother. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, respected members of the Moro International Students Association, and all the honorable guests, on behalf of the Minister MP Muhammad S. Yaqub, I am Hamad A. Yaqub. It is with a full of heart of gratitude and admiration that I stand before you today to offer my sincerest support for Ilmil Kalb. This initiative is a true embodiment of the values we hold as dear Muslims: the pursuit of knowledge, community support for Ilmil Kalb. Ilmil Kalb is not just about academic knowledge, though that in itself is valuable. It is about knowledge that reaches the heart, the kind of knowledge that transforms us from within. The Quran reminds us again and again the importance of seeking knowledge, not just for the sake of intellect, but for the purpose of bettering our hearts and our lives in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ilmil Kalb is a powerful initiative that seeks to provide such knowledge, teaching us not only to understand the world around us, but to develop a deeper, more meaningful connection to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. To the organizer of Ilmil Kalb, the MISA Incorporated, I want to offer my deepest gratitude to your dedication to learning, growth, and community service. It is inspiring. By fostering knowledge and unity, you are helping to cultivate leaders who will positively impact society and carry the teachings of Islam with them wherever they go. I encourage each and every one of you to continue this path with perseverance and passion. Know that your work are doing is more than just academic. It is a means of strengthening your bond with Allah and with each other. Remember, knowledge is not merely the accumulation of facts, but the light that guides us all in aspects of life, both in world and hereafter. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to bless you all with success, wisdom, and resilience. May He guide your effort, make your knowledge beneficial and grant you strength to carry out your noble work. Again, on behalf of Minister Muhammad S. Yaqub, PhD, thank you so much for your dedication, tireless effort. I am confident with your continued commitment, both the program Ilm Lil Kalb and the association, MISA or Moro International Students Association Incorporated, will continue to flourish and impact many lives for better Bangsamoro. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.